Hi everyone, getting the page isn't available right now error on Messenger for Android. This usually pops up if there's a glitch in the app or if the chat or profile you're trying to reach has been deleted or no longer exists. Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'll explain why this happens and show you simple steps to fix it. Let's jump right in. Solution 1. Refresh your connection and app. Fully close Messenger from your recent apps. Switch your internet connection. If you're on Wi-Fi, try mobile data or vice versa. Open Messenger again and check if the page loads properly. Solution 2. Update Messenger. Head to the Google Play Store, search for Messenger. If an update is available, tap Update. Once updated, open the app and check the page again. Solution 3. Clear cache and data. Open Settings on your phone. Go to Apps or App Management. Find and tap Messenger. Select Storage. Tap Clear Cache first. Then Clear Data. Reopen Messenger and log back in. Solution 4. Try Messenger on the web. Visit messenger.com on a browser. Log in with your Facebook account. Try accessing the same chat or page there. If it works on the web but not in the app, the issue is likely with the app itself. Solution 5. Reinstall Messenger. Uninstall Messenger from your device. Restart your phone. Download and install Messenger again from the Play Store. Bonus tip: if problem persists, try using Messenger Lite. It's a lighter app version that often avoids bugs and runs smoothly on most devices. And that's it. If the problem is caused by deleted content or broken links, unfortunately there's no fix. But if it's a glitch or connectivity issue, this tip should get you back on track. If this helped, please give it a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Thanks for watching.